Guys, today I'm gonna do this jelly or biting into this jelly because the last time it blew up my dress, but I didn't show you the food because I wasn't filming at all. I forgot. But now this better come in my mouth. Let's go now. Okay, I'm scared actually. Like I just woke up. That's why. Okay, you better guys just stand way back there. Don't let it. Dude, that was so freaking nice. My bad. I just coughed a lot, that's all. Please just do not comment, are you okay? I literally have a cold. Nice. And fruity. Kinda fruity. Ooh, look at this. Fruity. Yum. Comment now what you think I should try. Bye guys. Make sure to like and subscribe.